Welcome back again. We're still talking about Malapascua. Today we're going to Capitancillo, and that's a really nice small island. I really liked it because it's just a small light tower on this island, and you have a great wall drop all around and going down over 50 meters, I don't know, maybe 100 meters drop there. It's really, really nice, and you have a lot of coral fish there. And what I most of it like it when you're going at the reef, like at the wall drop, you're coming up, and then you have just these beautiful corals everywhere. So yeah, lay back, enjoy. enjoyed the footage of Capitancillo, and yeah, stay tuned for the next episode. What do we have? Yeah, we still want to see some nice pictures of the Trashershark. But before that, we're gonna do some night diving, and it's actually also an option to do a mandarin dive. If you don't know the Manderinfish, I will post a picture in here right now. And that's what we're gonna do in the next episode, to see the Manderinfish and then do some night diving.